Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you about formal letter. In that, I am going to start with letter to the editor. The letter to editor section is one of the most widely read parts of most newspapers. Students, do you know the purpose of writing a letter to the editor? Yes, letters to the editor can provide readers with information and insights on issues and can also inspire readers to take action. You can have a look at the format. Here you can see it's a format letter to the editor. We can see the left hand side. First of all, we have to write sender's address. Sender means the person who is writing a letter to the editor. In this, I want to tell you one thing. If in the question the sender's address has been given, you have to write the same address. If no address has been given in the question, you can write the fake address. But here, one should be clear to you that don't write your own address. I want to repeat it. Don't write your own address. Second thing, never include your name before address. That means don't write your name in the address. Address can be in 3 lines. You can have a look. First, house number, then street number and name of the city. After writing the address, you have to leave one line. This is the sign. And after leaving the line, you have to write the date. Date, 2 ways are there to write it. Firstly, for example, 20th July 2020, or you can write in second way, July 20, 2020. This is the correct way. But don't write the date like this, 20/07/2020. This is not the correct way. This is the wrong way to write date. After date, you have to leave one line. Then you have to write receiver's address. Receiver means a person who receives your letter. Like we are going to write letter to editor. So we are going to write the letter to the editor. That means editor is the receiver. He is going to receive your letter. So in the starting line, the editor. Then you have to write the name of the newspaper. If the name of the newspaper has been mentioned in the question, you have to write the same name. Otherwise, any name you can write, like the Times of India or the Tribune, etc. Here, one more thing I want to tell you. If in the question it has been mentioned National Daily instead of the name of the newspaper. So, National Daily is not the name of the newspaper. National means in the nation, daily means used to come. Means the newspaper that used to come daily in the nation. Here you can write the name of any newspaper. Is it clear? National Daily, if it hasn't mentioned, you can write the name of any newspaper. Then you have to write the name of the city. Now you can see after the name of the city, again you have to leave one line. Then you have to write the subject. Subject can be any. You will find the subject in the question itself. It can be conditions of road. It can be child labor or anything else. You have to write the same subject and you have to underline the subject. After that, again you have to leave one line. Then we move to salutation. Salutation, it can be sir or ma'am. After salutation, again you have to leave one line, and then you have to write the body of the letter. It can be in 3 or 4 paragraphs. First one, in para 1, what you have to do, you have to introduce yourself and write the purpose of writing a letter. After that, you have to leave one line. Then we move to para 2nd. You have to highlight all the necessary factors, or you can say detail of the matter or detail of the subject. Then after that, you have to leave one line. Then we move to para 3rd. Here you have to give the solutions, or you can give the suggestions to the editor, or you can conclude by mentioning what you expect from the editor. For example, you may want him to highlight the issue in his newspaper or magazine, etc. After that, you have to leave one line. Then this is complimentary clause, thanking you. You have to write thanking you. After thanking you, you have to leave one line. Then you have to write yours truly. One thing you should remember, that in yours no apostrophe s will be there. YOURS. And in truly T will be small. Don't write it capital, it is T small. TRULY. This is the spelling of truly. After writing this, you have to leave one line. Then you have to write the sender's name. Sender's name means the person who has sent or written the letter to the editor. If it is mentioned in the question, write the same name. Otherwise, fake name you have to write, and sender's name should be in capital. If in the question designation has been mentioned, you have to write the designation also. Otherwise, don't write the designation. You have to write the sender's name. This sign means you have to leave one line. I think this format is clear to you. Students, we will provide you the starting and ending lines also, and some examples also. Thank you.